financially independent, retire early. If you ask me, अगर मेरे को ये पता होता जब मैं 25 साल का था, I would have also tried.
हमारे भी जनरेशन में हम बोलते थे कि हमें रिटायर होना है, जल्दी होना है. अक्ल आ जाती थी जब पहुंचते थे वहां.
वही ना, वो अक्ल आते आते बहुत टाइम लग जाता है. So if the question is it possible? The simple answer would be yes. But is it possible for the large segment of the society? I think the answer would be no. And I'll give you a reason. Agar aap, if you start at 25 or 30, and if you have a great idea that the world has been waiting for, it's a demand supply thing. Na? Agar aapka aise idea hai, or you have solved a situation, a solution where nobody has, then people are ready to pay you $1 million for it, right? आज की तारीख में आपके पास ऐसे 15 आइडिया होंगे, 20 आइडिया होंगे, 100 आइडिया होंगे. हमारे देश में 140 करोड़, 1.4 बिलियन पीपल है. सो इज इट अ सिंगल की ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड सीक्रेट सॉस की ये करो आपका 40 पे आपका रिटायर हो गया? आंसर इज नो. इट टेक्स टाइम. एंड let's look at this. I think if you look at the the way Indians are kind of staying longer, where let's accept that people are living to around 88 to 90 average.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
तो पहले क्या होता था, यूज्ड टू, जैसे आप बोले थे, अक्ल आती थी 30 तक, 30 to 60 आप काम करके थोड़ा पैसा कमाते थे, 60 से 90 आप रिटायर होते थे. नाउ लेट्स अज्यूम कि आपने पैसे कमा लिए 40 तक. नाउ यू वुड हैव टू अर्न इनफ मनी टिल 40 टू सस्टेन यू द नेक्स्ट 50 years. नाउ देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ मूविंग पार्ट्स. एक आपको एक ब्रिलियंट आइडिया आना चाहिए. वो brilliant idea has to be invested. It has to give you compounding returns. Your medicals have to be, your health has to be in great shape. It all depends on how do you...
You must become a CEO.
By 40? Yes. There are a lot of people by
40 or 50, जो भी है.
Yes. So you need
या
to...
तो आपकी इनकम बहुत बड़ी.
आपकी इनकम बहुत...
या फिर आप...
या आपकी इनहेरिटेंस मिली हो, आपको पेरेंट्स ने आपको दी. But that's...
सबके साथ ऐसा नहीं
होता.
अधिकतर लोगों के साथ.
अधिकतर लोगों के साथ नहीं होता. तो I think you have to go the tried and tested. You have to make mistakes, learn from them, make more mistakes, learn from them, till you finally realize that this is the right way of doing it. Uske liye you have to do your work, earn your work, build up retirement corpus, build up a passive income, and over a period of time, and ensure that your health is taken care of, so that till you retire and till you stay in this world, I mean, money is enough to take care of you. So if the question is, for a large population, it's a very difficult challenge. So you have to do the tried and tested, go through wealth products that are available, where mutual funds or insurance for in case something happens, or NPS. I think that is the tried and tested and the right way of doing it. There is no shortcuts in life. Everything takes its time. And I think that kind of worked for you and me. It will work for a lot of people also. Obviously, things will evolve. But today, if you ask me, this is what I've tried, worked for me, and works for a lot of people that I know.